Hello viewer, I will make a selection there. Create a new layer, change the style of the layer, then again take another. So let's take the further designs. We are going to use the shapes here. I will make it keep on editing and generating the new shapes and designs. Add an eraser tool. So use the different designs here. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So that's it. I will take that designs. Thank you for watching our video.